At 10th place in our list we got Carson Wentz, who is from United States. His age is 28 years. His main source of wealth is from NFL, National Football League. His total winnings is $55.1 million and his endorsements are worth $4 million from famous brands like Amazon, Boss, Fantastics, Nike, Wheels Up, etc. Wentz was selected second overall pick in 2016 NFL Draft after fellow quarterback Jared Goff. The Philadelphia Eagles signed Carson Wentz to a contract extension in June 2019 worth $128 million over 4 years. At 9th place in our list we got Kirk Cousins, who is from United States. His age is 32 years. His main source of wealth is from NFL, National Football League. His total winnings is $58 million and his endorsements are worth $2.5 million from famous brands like Boss, Human Technologies, Nike, Panini, etc. The QB originally joined Minnesota in 2018 after 6 seasons in Washington. The $84 million deal was fully guaranteed, a rarity in NFL. Cousins signed 2-year $66 million contract extension with Vikings in March 2020 that included $30 million signing bonus. At 8th place in our list we got Tiger Woods, who is from United States. His age is 45 years. His main source of wealth is from golf. His total winnings is $2.3 million and his endorsements are worth $60 million from famous brands like Bridgestone, Discovery Communication, Hero MotoCorp, Nike, Rolex, TaylorMade, Upper Deck, etc. Tiger Woods nabbed his first PGA Tour win in 5 years at 2018 Tour Championship and added 5th green jacket at the 2019 Masters. Since he turned pro in 1996, Woods has earned $1.5 billion from endorsement, appearances and course design fees. At 7th place in our list we got Kevin Durant, who is from United States. His age is 32 years. His main source of wealth is from basketball and his total winnings is $28.9 million and his endorsements are worth $35 million from famous brands like Degree, Master and Dynamic, Nike and YouTube, etc. After 3 years with Golden State Warriors, Durant joined Brooklyn Nets in 2019 under a 4-year, $164 million contract. Durant was sidelined for entire 2019-20 season after injury during 2019 NBA Finals. At 6th place in our list we got Stephen Curry, who is from United States. His age is 33 years. His main source of wealth is from basketball. His total winnings is $30.4 million and his endorsements are worth $44 million from famous brands like Callaway Golf, Chase, Fantastics, Under Armour, etc. The two-time MVP signed the NBA's first $200 million contract in 2017. He had the league's top salary in past 3 seasons. In 2017, Curry formed a new company which is SC30, which manages his investments, brand partnerships, etc. At 5th place in our list we got LeBron James, who is from United States. His age is 36 years. His main source of wealth is from basketball. His total winnings is $28.2 million and his endorsements are worth $60 million from famous brands like 2K Sports, AT&T, Beats Electronics, Coca-Cola, Kia, Nike, etc. Four-time NBA MVP LeBron James joined the Los Angeles Lakers in 2018 under a 4-year $153 million contract, and he has the NBA's top endorsement portfolio as well as his own production company and media company. At fourth place in our list we got Neymar, who is from Brazil. His age is 29 years, his main source of wealth is from football, his total winnings is $70.5 million and his endorsements are worth $25 million from famous brands like Beats Electronics, Days, Electronic Arts, Gillette, MasterCard, Nike, Red Bull, etc. Neymar is on 5-year contract with Paris Saint-Germain through June 2022 worth $350 million in salary. His transfer from Barcelona to PSG stands as the most expensive in the world at $263 million, which the French club paid in full ahead of his signing. At third place in our list we got Lionel Messi, who is from Argentina. His age is 33 years and his main source of wealth is from football. And his endorsements are worth $1 million from famous brands like Adidas, Gatorade, Huawei, MasterCard, Pepsi, etc. Messi has been awarded both FIFA's Player of the Year and the European Golden Shoe for top scorer on the continent a record 6 times. His current Barcelona contract is through 2021 and pays him over $80 million annually. At second place in our list we got Cristiano Ronaldo, who is from Portugal. His age is 36 years. His main source of wealth is from football. His total winnings is $60 million and his endorsements are worth $45 million from famous brands like Dez, Herbalife, MTG, Nike, Unilever, etc. Ronaldo is the most followed athlete on social media. His Instagram follower hit 200 million in 2020. At first place in our list we got Roger Federer, who is from Switzerland. His age is 39 years. His main source of wealth is from tennis. His total winnings is $6.3 million and his endorsements are worth $100 million from famous brands like Mercedes-Benz, Rolex, Wilson Sporting Goods, etc. Roger Federer is the world's highest paid athlete for the first time thanks to unmatched portfolio of lucrative endorsement deals.